In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Spotify status not showing on Discord. If your friends can't see what you're listening to or your profile isn't updating, follow along and we'll refresh the connection so it starts working again. First, open Discord on your computer or in a browser and sign into your account. We'll be working inside user settings, so click the little gear icon near your username. In the left sidebar, find and open the Connections tab. This is where all linked apps live, including Spotify. Inside Connections, look for Spotify in your list of linked accounts. We're going to remove the current link to reset the integration. Click the Spotify entry and choose the option to unlink. When Discord asks you to confirm, click unlink again. Don't worry, this does not affect your Spotify playlists or library. It simply disconnects the permission between the two services so we can set it up cleanly. Now, still in Discord's Connections page, link Spotify again, click the Spotify icon or the add option and follow the on-screen authorization. A browser window may open asking you to allow Discord to access your Spotify account. Make sure you approve the permissions and verify you're connecting the right Spotify account, especially if you switch between accounts. When it succeeds, Spotify will reappear under Connections. Next, enable the visibility setting on Discord. In the Spotify connection panel, turn on display on profile. This allows Discord to show your linked Spotify on your profile and also helps the listening status appear while you play music. Give it a second to save. Now switch to the Spotify app and make sure the setting that broadcasts your listening activity is turned on. It's often labeled something like Share My Listening Activity or a similar broadcast status option in Spotify's settings, usually under Social. With that enabled, start playing a song, return to Discord and look near your name or profile. After a short moment, you should see the listening to Spotify status complete with the track information. A few quick tips as you test. The status updates only while music is actively playing, not paused. Private session in Spotify hides your activity, so turn that off if it's enabled. Ensure both apps have a stable internet connection and that you've linked the same Spotify account you're actually using. If you use multiple devices, keeping Discord open on the device where Spotify is playing can help the status refresh promptly, and that's it. By unlinking, relinking, enabling display on profile, turning on Spotify's broadcast setting, and then playing a track, your Discord Spotify status should be back and visible.